When every detail matters, count on Project Master, your go-to for reliable, ready-to-use packaged solutions that tackle any project, big or small. Project Master covers everything from nuts and bolts to plumbing and project essentials, all in one location. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, our products are organized, versatile, and always dependable. Our Find It Fast system takes the guesswork out of shopping. With bold colors, detailed descriptions, and life-size graphics, you'll always find the right solution right away. Project Master isn't just about selection. It's about simplicity. With shelf-ready organization and user-friendly packaging, we help retailers create a seamless shopping experience for their customers. Reliable, handy, complete. Whether you're working on a quick fix or a major project, Project Master delivers solutions that work as hard as you do. Project Master. Organize, simplify, and conquer every task. Project Master. Let's build something together.